What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a very exciting unboxing yet again of the Molcajete Dominguero Molcajita. I'm actually a little bit behind. I pre-subscribed for the 3-month subscription back in, gosh, it's already October, can you believe it? I subscribed to these in, oh god, what is the month before October? September, maybe August for these. So I think I have one more coming before I'll have to renew again. I definitely think that I'm gonna go ahead and see it through because you get so many awesome items and are supporting so many great small businesses, and I really just want to be able to continue to support them as much as I can. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. It has this beautiful print, as you can see, and the box is actually picnic themed. So you get a really amazing collection of items. It was a full picnic set. It's just gorgeous items. We actually used these. It came literally the day of my mom's birthday, and so we used them for her birthday celebration. I'll insert some pictures here. Really loved the way that they complemented her overall theme and just really fit with her celebration. So let me go ahead and open it up. So it came packaged, I've already opened these, we've already used some. So it came packaged with the same wrapping as last time. You get a tissue covering with the little Molcajita sticker on it, and then this was a setting for 4. There are 3 of us living in the house, so it was perfect for us because we have an extra just in case we have a visitor. We only usually have one person here at a time if we have any guests at all, especially because we are taking social distancing very seriously. We'll start with the card. So it says, this month you get Molcajita's limited edition picnic patio plate set. Inspired by popular oilcloth manteles, this plate set will add flair to any outdoor picnic or simply at-home brunch. These times are tough, we know, and social distancing is a must, but let's make comiendo fun. So, inspírate y saca las ollas, sarapes, succulents, and dress that table with your Latinidad. Remember, you're an influencer, así que take pictures of your setup and share with us. Provecho, Team Molcajita. And again, the pattern on this is so cute. I love this box, and I'm really glad that I got to snag one of them. I think this is actually the month that I went ahead and signed up for the 3-month subscription because I wanted to make sure that I got this set. So the first thing that you get is the smaller plates. I think these are called salad plates maybe. And as you can see, it is a very oilcloth inspired design, and they also have these super cute molcajetes spread throughout the pattern. So very cute. That is the smaller plate, and you got again 4 of those. The next things that you got was a utensil set, so with a fork, a knife, and a spoon, all with the same oilcloth pattern at the bottom. Not gonna unbundle them, but very cute. Okay. The next thing you got was a set of cups. We obviously have not used these yet, but these are just normal drinking cups. I'm gonna say they're probably about 8-ounce cups, so standard cup size. Again, you get the oilcloth pattern with the molcajetes around it. 4 of those. And lastly, you get the larger plate. So just for size reference, so that you can see, the smaller plate is on top, and you can see that the larger plate is about maybe 1/4 inch bigger, so I would say it's about 6 to 8 inch difference in sizes. 6 inch, this is probably 8 inch. And it's the same pattern with the Molcajete design scattered throughout. But this is super cute. So again, you got a set of 4 for each of the items. You've got the small plate, the large plate, the utensils, and the cup. So it's awesome. We love this. I've used it a couple times. I use the silverware a lot actually, but these were just super cute items. As always, I think that the actual like cajita is so cute. You saved the Frida one. We have it on our altar this year for Dia de los Muertos, and I think I'm definitely going to save this one, even just to use to stash things because it's so cute. But I think these again retail for about I think after tax and shipping it comes to about $50, maybe a little over $50. I think again for the items that you get, all being completely unique and original, for it benefiting Latino artists, I really do enjoy it. I really think it's something that is worth supporting, and so I'm really happy to own these. I'm probably going to be getting rid of some plate settings so that we can use these more often. I don't know, it doesn't say anything about them being like dishwasher safe. We don't do those anyway. We hand wash everything. I would just probably imagine you can't put them in the microwave, but otherwise I think it's a win. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think about this setting. Have you subscribed to Molcajita already? If not, please check them out on Instagram, Molcajete Dominguero. Have a good one. We'll see you in the next one.